Hi friends, I am Dr. Nikita Toshi and today I'll be discussing with you how prolonged sitting can be harmful for your health and few tips to manage it. Before we proceed, I request you to hit the bell icon and subscribe to PharmEasy's channel so that you do not miss any of our recent updates. Sitting continuously for work has become a trend now because every one of us is working from home. But do we know how harmful it could be for our health? Sitting is the new smoking is something I've recently heard and I'm sure आपने भी सुना होगा. So obviously, sitting and smoking are two different things and they harm your body in different ways. But it is important to bring this up because we rarely realize how harmful sitting is for us. Sitting for long hours without breaks and mostly we sit in the wrong postures without even realizing. So it is important to understand the harmful effects. It can be harmful for your mental health, for your eyes, your joints, and you may get a build-up of belly fat, जो किसी को भी नहीं पसंद है, I'm sure, and that can in turn put you on a risk for developing diabetes or heart diseases, and the list goes on and on. So how to manage this? There are a few tips which can help us manage our work from home routine in a healthy way. Yes, with a given time frame, उतने ही time में with the same set of tasks that you are doing can be managed in an organized way so that you use your time for a good productivity and give a mental rest and rest to your body as well. So let's quickly look at these tips. First, stay organized. Organize your tasks very well. Take a paper, jot down all the tasks for the day and prioritize them. Set the time frames that you would like to give to each task and leave some empty slots as well for the emergency tasks that may pop in. Next is, the very important thing is to take breaks in a very planned way. Set your time clock, set the timer for 25 to 30 minutes. Assign yourself the set of tasks you would like to do. अगर कोई बहुत बड़ा complicated task है, you can break it into pieces so that it fits into this slot. If there are small set of tasks, you can club few tasks so that 25 to 30 minutes के time duration में आप उसे fit कर लें. Set the timer on. Stay focused and work. Do not get distracted by your cell phones, by any unwanted notifications, and just stay focused and work till your alarm rings. At the end of 25 to 30 minutes when your alarm rings, take a break of 5 minutes and then again repeat. After 4 such cycles, you can take a longer break of say 30 to 40 minutes and relax and then repeat. It is important to use the 5 minutes breaks wisely. You can get up and do some stretching, drink some water, splash some water on your face, go out, get some fresh air and then come back to your seat. You will see how well you will be able to manage the same set of tasks in the given time frame just because our distractions se bache hue hain. We spend a lot of time unknowingly in passive scrolling and getting distracted from many things. So try this tip and it will work. Another important thing is to keep yourself motivated. Yes, we all are working from home, we are alone, and at times it just gets too monotonous. Okay, so while you're working, even for small accomplishments, try to encourage yourself, cheer up for yourself. Yes, I did it, that was great. Oh wow, you're awesome. Keep complimenting yourself and see how happy you will feel. It feels great. Another important tip जो हर कोई बोलता है but कोई सुनता नहीं है, I don't know how many of you actually follow. Make sure to sleep on time and take a good sleep. Eat well, eat healthy, lots of fruits, vegetables, stay hydrated, do some exercise. You can get into practicing of some meditation, some relaxation techniques for a good mental health, and exercise तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है as we are talking about prolonged sitting. So when you are not working, get engaged in some sports, some exercise, anything that makes you feel good and is healthy for your body too. Hope these tips were helpful to you because I have tried them personally. This will help you stay focused and work well. So stay happy and safe because aap safe to India safe, and don't take it easy. If you liked the video, hit on the like button and share this video with your friends and loved ones. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel.